Hello, welcome back. This is Gabriel, and in this video, we're looking at the limit clause. We have top, limit, and round now, or random. Actually, these clause are the ones that are going to work with different databases, depending on the database you're working on. Right now, I'm working with MySQL, so MySQL already needs me to work. I work with MySQL, and if you're working with Oracle, round now, you need to work. And these clauses are being used to limit the number of records to which you are fetching from a database. So, for example, we want to select just 3 columns from our database called customer. So select from customer, limit 3. So this gives us 3 values or 3 rows. Is that the way actually can limit the number of values, the number of records from you fetch from your database. It's quite very easy. It does work only with MySQL. So if you're working with Oracle, try to not use round and the syntax for that. Click any brackets. So you can simply use select start from customer where round no is less than this is the syntax we are going to use to work with. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Please support us for us to run this project. Thank you. See you in the next video.